Hey people, welcome to Scott's PC. Thanks for joining me. This is my very first video. It's a brand new year, 2020, and I thought, why not try and build your own gaming PC? The last few months, I've been watching people like Jay's 2 Cents, Linus Tech Tips, Bitwit. I've been enjoying their videos, and they've been showing me how easy it can be to build your own computer. It's just actually saving the money and taking the time to do it. So last month, December of 2019, I put together my own price list, all the parts in my head that I think I could afford, and started placing some orders. I found PCPartPicker.com to help me. Let me show you what I've put together so far, and also a spreadsheet I created to view the costs.
Again, just a quick snapshot here at PCPartPicker.com. You can see my list I compiled, about a little bit over $1,100. You know, I still don't know if I want to spend that much on a motherboard. I know there's some cheaper, so I just have to decide how expensive or how much I want to afford. I know I don't need 32 gigabytes of memory, but I think that's something I do want to spend the extra on. And then you can see the rest right here. You know, I'm pretty decided on this 1660 Ti, but that's subject to change as well. So let me click over here to my own spreadsheet here. You can see everything highlighted in green I've already purchased. So those 4 items: the tower, the CPU, the boot drive, and the HDD drive, the mechanical drive. If you look at here, it's about $1,050. So if I go cheaper on a motherboard, which I already have here, you can see it brings me down to about $1,050. And all these links are on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave those links in the description in case you do want to follow along and check them out at a later date.
Well, here's the case. Here's the CPU, a Ryzen 7200X, Ryzen 7 7200X. I've got my boot drive. It's a 500 gigabyte 970 EVO by Samsung. And right behind it in this brown cardboard box is a mechanical drive. It's Western Digital. It's a 2 terabyte hard drive for all my mass storage, my videos, my pictures, some light gaming. So these 4 parts of what I've purchased so far, and soon I'll be purchasing the rest, hopefully within the next 6 to 8 weeks. Well, there you've seen it. You've seen my price points. I'm trying to be around $1,000. Hopefully by late February, mid-March, I can have all the parts here at my house to actually put together and film and show y'all. So I'll be giving you updates, maybe weekly updates of what I've received or what I've been thinking, or, what graphics card I'm going to get, what RAM I'm going to get, the power supply that I'm going to decide on, what motherboard to get, because I don't want to do the BIOS part. I just want my CPU to work out of the box. So if you want to join me on this PC build, make sure to subscribe and click that bell button to receive my future notifications. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you next time.